Welcome to iCare-Lullaboo mobile app tutorial video. This guide outlines step-by-step instructions to access different features offered through the app. First, let's start by downloading the app. The iCare-Lullaboo app is available on both Apple and Google Play stores. Links are available in the video description and on our website at www.lullaboo.ca. You can also search iCare-Lullaboo on your preferred app store and follow the instructions to download the app. Sign up. Before you start the sign-up process, please note that your email ID needs to be linked with your registered parent account at Lullaboo Nursery and Child Care Center. You must use the same email ID to sign up on the mobile app where you are receiving email communications. Please contact your center supervisor should you face any problems while signing up for our mobile app. Open the iCare-Lullaboo app. Click on the Sign Up Now link located at the bottom of the login screen. Select the location where your child is registered and click Next. Enter the email address which is already on your parent profile. If you do not know the registered email address, please contact your center supervisor. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email. It may take a few minutes to receive the code. Once you receive the code, enter it and click Next. Enter a valid username and password to be used as your login credential. Email addresses can also be used as a username. Then click Next. Congratulations, you are ready to sign in. In order to be able to save or revisit pictures from your child's daily logs, please accept the photo permission when prompted. Please note that the daily report pictures are only available for today's date on the app. Any pictures from previous dates will not be available on the daily report section. The pictures are saved on your mobile device as soon as your photos are viewed in the daily reports. You can find more details on our mobile app user guide. Again, if you face any difficulties signing up on the mobile app, please contact your center supervisor. Health screening. According to Ontario Ministry of Education, all individuals must self-screen every day before the arrival at a child care center, and licensees may continue to provide a checklist to parents to perform daily screening, such as our online form. Reference link in the video description. Parents can perform a digital health screening for their children before arriving to the child care center by answering the listed screening questions. This feature helps to speed up the sign-in process upon arrival to the center. The health screening is a mandatory process and needs to be completed prior to the drop-off each morning. Completing the healthcare screening through the iCare mobile app is very simple. Log into iCare-Lullaboo app. Click on the health screening button on your home screen. If your child is attending care today, please select Yes. Clicking on No will skip the health screening process. Now read and answer all the health screening questions carefully. You will be required to measure your child's body temperature and enter it during the health screening process, so get your thermometer ready. In order to attend childcare, your child must pass the health screening process. Please do not take your child into the center if the health screening results comes out as failed. In case you have accidentally submitted the failed health screening, then you can perform another health screening process on the app. Please be prepared to show the screen at drop-off to the staff that you have completed the mandatory health screening prior to the arrival at the center. Daily reports. This feature allows you to check on your child's daily engagement in real time. Click on the Daily Report button. Select your child's name and the date for which you want to view, and click Continue. This includes details about your child's daily meals, milk and water consumption, nap times with all related comments, diaper changes, and washroom routines. Educators are also able to communicate item requests to parents as needed. which may include things like diapers, wipes, creams, extra clothing, or even a special note. We hope you enjoy using iCare-Lullaboo app, and we are happy to hear all your feedback.